Awesome Planet is inside the Land Pavilion in Epcot's World Nature. And if you're at Epcot on a hot or rainy day and need a break from the elements, you could do worse than spending 10 minutes in a relatively comfy chair viewing this movie. The best review that I've read for Awesome Planet is on Touring Plans, so maybe watch like 5 or 6 or 20 more of my videos and then go check out this link. I'll read a few of my favorite excerpts. If Awesome Planet is a preview of Epcot attractions to come, then the Earth is doomed and we're all going to die. Awesome Planet doesn't shy away from showing the threats the planet is currently facing, like rising temperatures, higher sea levels, more intense storms, and more wildfires. The film's fatal flaw is that it doesn't mention at all the root cause of these problems or what we can do to solve them. The Touring Plans review then points out that the narrator of the film, Burrell, who's best known for his role as a real estate agent on Modern Family, is playing the same character in Awesome Planet. He's selling us, the viewer, on the different neighborhoods of Earth and boasting about its location, and this bit is so cheesy that I didn't even pick up on it when I was watching it the first time. Touring Plans wraps up by saying, "We may as well be saying this for Epcot as well as for the planet. It was great while it lasted." Enjoy the show!
Come on, a little more down. Great there. Yeah. That's good. It's good.
If you were looking for the perfect home, this would be it. I know it doesn't look move-in ready just yet, but trust me, this property is one of a kind. Hang on. It's still under construction, but it has plenty of potential, and its value will only increase over time. Look what 4 billion years of remodeling did for the place. Nice, huh? And this thing was built to last. Okay, let's go over some of the features. For starters, location. This planet has a great orbit around the sun, and that means the weather's perfect for life. Not too hot, not too cold. Next, it's just the right distance from the sun, so you get liquid water. That's essential. It also comes with a bonus moon, which gives you tides. And that early explosion, it gave the planet a tilt, so you get seasons. Altogether, this is one unique and awesome planet. Come on, let me show you around. There are lots of neighborhoods to choose from. By the way, we call them biomes, and they're all great places to live. For example, if you like water, you're in luck, because most of the real estate on this planet is ocean, and that's a good thing, because no water, no life. And if water is your thing, you'll be in good company, not only with the folks who live along the coasts and waterways, but also with the fish and creatures that live under the sea. And if you're wondering about the schools, just ask the fish. Maybe you prefer something a little less wet. We've got that too. We call them deserts. Definitely drier, warmer, and rich with minerals. From majestic cities that stretch to the sky to homes that are more down to earth, there's a whole lot of life under the sun. Now, if you're looking for the coolest neighborhoods, try the poles, north or south, take your pick. Oh, and both poles come with built-in ice makers. Well, they kind of are ice makers. Just imagine the long winter walks, the short summer hikes, and the feeling of cool central air 24/7. Sure, the temperatures can get pretty chilly, and they're not the most populated from a human standpoint, but they are stunning places to call home. So you're looking for a home where the grass is always greener. Then may I suggest the grasslands. They're one of our most popular neighborhoods. And you'd be living on the land that helps feed your neighbors around the world. For those of you that love the woods, you are so in luck. There's a lot of inventory in this biome. Almost a third of the planet's surface is forest. And go on, take a deep breath. Because forests help provide oxygen. Yes, this planet does offer a lot of wonderful and diverse neighborhoods to choose from. And they're all connected in a circle of life. Oh, and one more thing. Everything I've shown you today comes with a lifetime maintenance plan. That's because this planet is alive and always working to keep things in balance. Forests and oceans soak up carbon dioxide and provide oxygen. Arctic seas absorb CO2 as well. And polar ice helps keep the planet cool, while desert winds warm it up and blow nutrients across the land. Even lightning plays a role in keeping the land fertile. When the biomes are healthy, these maintenance forces of nature are in balance as well. But, full disclosure, things are changing in the marketplace. Temperatures are becoming more extreme, with record freezes, increased heat waves, and droughts too. Glacial ice is melting at an alarming rate. And with it, ocean levels and temperatures are rising. Sadly, that means coral reefs are dying, and flooding is becoming more prevalent. Hurricanes and storms are happening with greater intensity. Wildfires are more frequent and more destructive. This planet, our home, is in peril. We need to protect it as if all lives depend on it. Because they do. Now, I would never try to sell you on a home that has no hope or future. And while it's true that the challenge to restore the balance has never been greater, the opportunity has never been greater as well. Never before have we had the knowledge and the tools to turn things around. The choices that we make, that you make, do make a difference. So, choose how you want to make a difference and choose to make a difference. Imagine if everyone on the planet pitched in, what we could accomplish. Together we can do it, and together we will. It's been a quick tour, but hopefully you're sold now on this dream home called Earth. And that's good, because as far as we've searched throughout the universe, we've never found another place that can support life. It truly is a miracle, this awesome planet that we've been given. Let's keep it that way. If you'd like more information on ways you can help protect our planet, we invite you to visit Disney Conservation Fund online and social media.
If people are off the planet, please turn their personal belongings and lock the seven checks and through those open doors on your right hand side. Thank everybody else, please. Okay?